When it comes to building muscle, the first things that often come to mind are chicken breasts, protein shakes, and lean meats. But there's one nutritional powerhouse that often gets overlooked: eggs. These simple, affordable, and incredibly versatile foods support muscle growth and overall health. Let's dive into why eggs deserve a prominent spot in your diet. At the core of muscle development lies protein, and when it comes to delivering high-quality protein, eggs are a true powerhouse. Each egg contains about 6 grams of protein, which might not sound like much at first glance. However, the quality of this protein is what makes eggs exceptional. Eggs boast a complete amino acid profile, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids that your body can't produce on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks your body needs to repair and construct new muscle fibers, especially after a grueling workout when your muscles are in desperate need of nourishment to recover and grow. But it's not just about the amount of protein. The bioavailability of the protein in eggs is equally important. Bioavailability refers to how well your body can absorb and use the protein you consume. Protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can efficiently utilize it to repair muscles and support growth. This makes eggs an ideal choice for a post-workout meal, ensuring your muscles get the maximum benefit from your efforts in the gym. While egg whites often steal the spotlight for their high protein content, the yolk is where the real magic happens. This golden center, sometimes unfairly dismissed due to its cholesterol content, is a nutritional goldmine. The yolk is rich in essential vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, all of which play crucial roles in various bodily functions, including immune health, bone strength, and hormone regulation. These vitamins also contribute significantly to muscle function and recovery, making the yolk an integral part of a muscle-building diet. Moreover, the yolk contains healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are essential for muscle recovery, especially after intense exercise. Reducing inflammation is key to preventing muscle soreness and promoting faster recovery, allowing you to hit the gym more frequently and effectively. Additionally, the cholesterol found in egg yolks supports hormone production, including testosterone, which is vital for muscle growth. Contrary to outdated beliefs, moderate consumption of dietary cholesterol from eggs can actually support your body's anabolic processes, further enhancing muscle development. Eggs are not just for bodybuilders or athletes. They offer a host of benefits that extend far beyond muscle growth. Despite being low in calories, eggs are incredibly nutrient-dense, making them an excellent option for those watching their weight. They're also highly satiating, meaning they help keep hunger at bay, which can be particularly beneficial when trying to maintain a lean physique or lose body fat. Additionally, eggs are a fantastic source of choline, a nutrient essential for brain health and liver function. Choline plays a role in memory, mood regulation, and muscle control, making it a critical component of overall health. For those leading an active lifestyle, maintaining optimal brain function is just as important as physical health, and eggs help bridge that gap. Eggs also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for eye health. These antioxidants protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, ensuring that your vision stays sharp as you age. One of the best things about eggs is their versatility. They can be incorporated into almost any meal, making it easy to include them in your daily diet. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, there are countless ways to enjoy eggs. Here are some ideas to inspire your culinary creativity. Breakfast. Start your day with scrambled, fried, or poached eggs. For added flavor, experiment with different herbs, spices, and vegetables. Try adding spinach, tomatoes, or avocado for an extra nutrient boost. If you're in a hurry, A simple boiled egg with a dash of salt and pepper can be a quick, satisfying option. Lunch. Create a protein-packed salad by adding hard-boiled eggs to your greens. Pair them with lean meats, chickpeas, or quinoa for a balanced and nutritious meal. Alternatively, whip up an egg salad sandwich with whole grain bread for a hearty, filling lunch. Dinner. Incorporate eggs into omelets, quiches, or frittatas for a satisfying and nutritious meal. You can even add them to stir fries, ramen, bowls, or grain-based dishes like fried rice for an extra protein punch. Don't be afraid to get creative. Eggs pair well with a wide variety of ingredients. Snacks. Hard-boiled eggs are a portable and convenient protein source, perfect for on the go. Pair them with some fresh veggies, a piece of fruit, or a handful of nuts for a balanced snack that will keep you full and energized between meals. While eggs are an excellent addition to a muscle-building diet, it's essential to remember that they are just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced approach that includes a variety of protein sources, carbohydrates, and healthy fats is crucial for achieving optimal results. Eggs can complement other protein sources like lean meats, fish, and plant-based proteins, ensuring you get a wide range of nutrients necessary for muscle growth and overall health. Incorporating eggs into your meal plan is a simple and effective way to provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support muscle growth, recovery, and overall well-being. Whether you're looking to pack on muscle, maintain a lean physique, or simply improve your health, eggs offer a versatile and nutritious option that's hard to beat. So, the next time you're planning your meals, don't hesitate to crack open a few eggs and unlock their full potential.